Okay, first possession is with John Craig. Back to Tarento to Angel and one. Okay, foul number 3, Johannes Mendoza. For free throw, let's see the bonus free throw of Dark Angel. It's no good. Rebound to John Craig. To Angel. To the guy and to 3. No good. Now Mark, nice pass, 1, 2 points, Mr. 1. He scores all 2. Now Mr. Patrimonio, Sargento. 3-point shot. No rebound by Johannes. To Mark. Pass to Haswell, 2 points, Ryan Haswell. The score is 4-2 in favor of the FASC. John Craig to Sargento. John Craig. The Giant for 3. Short again. Rebound by Angel. Foul? Oh, that's his second personal foul. Johannes. Second team foul. John Craig for 3. Long. Rebound by 1. To Ryan Haswell. Guarded by the Giant. To the Cannon Tabalan. 3 points. The score is 7-2 in favor of pass. The Giant to Angel. To John Craig. Steal by 1. To Ryan. Oh, no. Rebound by John Craig to Angel, 2 points by Lato Renner. Score 7-4 in favor of FASC. 3-point shot by the Cannon. No good. Rebound by Lato Renner. The Giant. Go to John Craig. Nice pass to rebound by Angel. 2 points again. It's 7-6 is the score. Now Mark Mendoza, guarded by the Giant. Ryan. Oh, you're no good. Rebound by Angel. To Sargento. To the Giant. To John Craig. Shot. Sumagot pa. No good. Rebound by 1. To the Cannon. To Johannes. Mark. Nice fake. No good. Rebound by 1. To Haswell for 3. Long. Rebound by Angel. Steal by the Cannon. 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by Mark. Nice pass to Haswell. 2 points. It's 9-6. We got into John Craig. To Sargento for 3. Long. Rebound by Angel. Good defense, up. Good defense, read up. So, steal. Completed. Now, Haswell lays it in for 2. Ryan Haswell. 11-6. The Giant. Almost steal. Oh, completed by Mr. 1. Crossover, steal. John Craig lays it in for 2. John Craig Villarino. 2 points. Haswell. Nice pass to back to one. Shot by one, no good. Rebound by Mark Mendoza. To one. 2 points, Mr. One. 13-8. Third score. In favor of pass. Number one, the Magician. Bigaya. Guarded by Haswell. Shot. Long. Rebound by Mark Mendoza sa pabalan. Oh! Communication there. Turnover. Pass. Now, John Pay dala naman sa Bigaya. Back to John Pay. To Angel. Nice pass to the cannon for two. 15-8 is our score. Still in favor. 7-point lead by the team pass. Angel to Bigaya. To John Pay. To Angel. Shot to Borgi. Bank shot. Good. 10-15. Third score. Mark Mendoza. Guarded by John Pay. Pass to Haswell. To the cannon. Catalan for three. Long. Rebound by Bigaya. Bigaya. To Sargento. Guarded by one. No. Back to Bigaya. To John Pay. To Angel. To Bigaya. 3-point shot. Looks like it's a continue black. Now one to Ryan. 2 points, Mr. Ryan. Haswell. 17-10 is our score in favor of pass. 2 minutes and 38 seconds remaining in our first quarter. Now Angel. Jump. No good. Rebound by Mark Mendoza. Mendoza goes over to Haswell for three. No good. Rebound by Angel. Pass right to Sargento. Over the backboard. It's black ball. Alright. Haswell. To Johannes Mendoza. Shot. Another rebound by Angel. Pass straight to Bigaya. Oh! Nasabit. Another rebound by one. Mr. One. To the cannon. Pabalan for three. No good. Rebound by Latorreno. It's 17-10. Now Angel to Magician for three. Short. Rebound by Mark Mendoza.
Go, go, go!
Hook shot. No good. Rebound by one. Nice fake. No good. Rebound by Mark Mendoza. 2 points. 19-10 is our score. 55 seconds remaining. Shot by John Pay. No good. Rebound by Mark. Now the cannon. 49 seconds remaining. 1 for three. Short. Rebound by Johannes. Shot by Johannes. Short. Rebound by Bigaya. 37 seconds remaining. Shot by Latorreno. Long. Rebound by Haswell.
You still want your picture? You still want your picture?
Yeah, of course. Now Mr. Haswell. 18 seconds. 17. Aiming for the last shot. 6. 12. 10. Roll. Palm ball. Haswell jump shot. 2 points. 2 seconds remaining. It's the end of the first quarter. Okay. Now Johannes to Mark Mendoza. Top. Gaya steal shot. You can just shot. Nice shot. Driving layup, 2 points by Shaq Lindon. Scores 21-12, 9-point lead by the FASC team of Chupo. Steal by Latoreno. Dark Angel Latoreno to Patrimonio. Steal by Deng. Deng all the way, 2 points by Deng. 23-12 is the score. The receiver of FASC. Lindon. Bigaya. Steal by Chupo. Eugene Chupo. Nice pass to the Shermanator. Behind the back pass to Deng. 2 points, Mr. Deng. 25-12. To Transfer. The shot to Patrimonio. Sargento. Bigayan to Sargento. Bigayan fake. Oh, hang time. No good rebound by Bigayan. Steal by the Shermanator. Oh, nice pass to Chupo. Fake. No good rebound by. Oh, sipag ng Chupo, ha? Shot to Latoreno. Shot by Latoreno, no good rebound by Mark Mendoza. Mark Mendoza, ahead pass to Deng, the block by Shaq Lindon. Now Bigayan. Bigayan to Sargento. To Bigayan to Sargento. Foul. Number 14, Eugene Chupo. First personal and first team foul. 2 free throws to be awarded to number 21, Shaquille Lindon. Sure, substitution, Mark Mendoza, Rahul Maharaj. Let's see the second one. Rebound by Maharaj to Eugene Chupo. Goes over to Rahul. More 3-point shot. Short. Rebound by Shaquille. All the way black. Same ball. So, turnover shot, left up. Johannes out. Haswell in. Maharaj to Haswell. Chupo. To Haswell. Guarded by Bigayan. Decent. Got by Chupo. Eugene shot. No good rebound by Rahul. To the Shermanator. No good rebound by Eugene. To Haswell. Nice pass. Sumaras long. Rebound by Latoreno.
Hey, roll in middle. Get back.
to Shaq to Lindon. To guard Angel. Shaq. Oh, on steal. Got them on the right. Terminator. No, Haswell. Nice pass to Ben. Oh, troubling. It's a troubling. Ligaya. 4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Second quarter. Now Sargento to Angel. So Sargento for 3. The 3 points. 3 points by Sargento. 25-15 the score. 3-point shot by Haswell. Long. Rebound by John Frey to Sargento. Steal by Terminator. Then rebound by Dark Angel Latereno. Long pass to John Frey. Nice take. Shot 2 points by John Frey de la Rima. The score is 25-17. Asphalt guarded by Ligaya to Vaughn to Ben, back to Vaughn to Maharaj. 3-point shot by Rahul. No good. Rebound by Vaughn. Oh. Turnover. Stop, left, stop. Vaughn out, Dan out, Buchanan in, and 1. 3 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. John Frey shot. That's late. Rebound by 1. To the cannon for 3. Boom! Nagpasabog na naman ng bomba si the cannon. 28-17. Now, Shaquille to Angel to Ligaya. New defense there. Ligaya. Oh, Yoyo. No good rebound by Ryan Haswell. Good play. 2 points by Ryan. The score is 30-17. 3-point shot by Latoreno. The Dark Angel Latoreno. The score is 30-20. 10-point Cannon. Oh, that's another 3 points. 33-20. This is the score. 13-point lead by FLSC. The guy to Comidor. The Jasper. Wait, to Sargento, to Johnson, to Angel, to Sargento for 3. Short, rebound by Buchanan. Pass to Haswell. Oh. No good rebound by Haswell. 3-point shot by Haswell. No good rebound by Sargento. 1 minute and 12. To Latoreno. To Sargento. To Magician, John Frey. Right. 2 points by John Frey de la Rima. 22-33. 11-point lead by the team. Pass. 44 seconds remaining. To the cannon, pabalang for 3 again. No good. Over the backboard. Woodballer's ball. 31 seconds remaining. To Polindon. To Sargento. To John Frey. Shot. No good. Rebound by Latoreno. Shot by Latoreno. 2 points. 24-33. 9 seconds. to steal. Foul. Okay, foul number 23, Papalan. Good foul, Mr. number 23.
Okay, ready?
Hindi, ano? Shot by Colindon, 2 points by Shaq. It's 33-26 now. Well, 3 points by Buchanan, 3 points by Buchanan. 36-26. Shot. Bigayan, long. Rebound by La Toreno. 2 points by La Toreno. 28-36. Nice pass to Mark. Mark Mendoza, fade away, no rebound by Angel. Mark Angel, La Toreno. Shakil to Gaya, crossover. Ball. To John Pay for 3. 3 points, John Pay Galaliman. 31-36 now is the score. Now the challenge for 3. A little bit long, rebound by Galariman to Shakil. Foul by Ryan Haswell. That's your first personal foul and first team foul. Let's see the 2 free throws by Shaq Short. First one Short.
Wala po pinapasok na free throw.
Oh, nga. Let's see the second one.
Wala pa rin.
Naawa. It's 32-36 now. Hasgo to Marco. Here. To Galariman. Oh, illegal. Fancy foul by Bigayan. Foul Bigayan. Alright, now Haswell. That's your first personal, Mr. Bigayan, and first team foul. Ryan Haswell to Johannes to Buchanan. To Sherman Song for 3. Long, rebound by Sarmiento. So it scores 36-32 in favor of the FAST. John Pray to be number rebound by Sherman Nato. 36-32. Here. Mark and Johannes. Back to Mark. To Ryan. Pay. 3-point shot by Ryan. 3 by Ryan Haswell. 39-32. Favor of the FAST team. John Pay to Shakil, Lindon. Shot short, rebound by Johannes. Now Haswell to Mark Mendoza. 2 points by Mark Mendoza. 41-32 now is the score. Sarmiento for 3, long, rebound by Mark. Mark Mendoza. 3-point shot by Buchanan. Follow up by Mendoza, rebound by Angel. It's a foul. 53 by Haswell. Substitution. Sub. Okay, Bong, Aswell, and Johannes out. Then Chupo and Maharaj in. Sargento. To the lateral, Navigayan, back to Latereno. Same ball. 4 minutes and 58 seconds remaining. Now, Angel shot 2 points by Latereno. 41-34. Steal by Latereno. Now defeated by Bigayan. Whoa! Rebound by Latereno. Oh, it's Weber. Buchanan to Ben. Back to Chupo, to Maharaj to 3. Long rebound by Shah. To Bigayan. To Shakir. With 1-3 or Rahul. First foul, Mr. Rahul. And third, team foul. Substitution, well, Mr. 1 in and the Buchanan out. Shakir. Fumble. To it over to Magician, to Shakil, to Bigayan, to Sargento. Oh, same ball. Latereno. Shot by Latereno. 2 points by Dark Angel Latereno. 36-41. 5-point lead by FASC. Now using Chupo. To Maharaj, Rahul. 1. Pass to Mark. Nice move. To Deng. Shot by Deng. No good rebound by Latereno. Nice pass to Bigayan. Lays it in for 2. Time out. Way. Tommy Deng to Ryan Aswell to Chupo for 3. Almost no nice tap to Rahul. 2 points Rahul Maharaj. 43-38 is the score. 1 minute and 57 seconds remaining. Steal by Rahul. Tabatas. Rahul shot. No good rebound by Bigayan. Nice defense by Chupo steal to Rahul. 3-point shot by Rahul. It's 46-38. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. Shakil. Whoa. Nice pirouette move by the Magician. John Prey de la Riemann for 2. Ryan Aswell. Behind the back. Guarded by Bigayan. Screen or steal. Bigayan for 2. 46-42 in favor of pass. 42 seconds remaining. Two. Chupo to 1. Then that was rebound, nice rebound by 22 seconds remaining. 18, 16, 14, 13, 12, 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so end of the third quarter. The score is 46-42 strong. This is the start of the fourth quarter. Now Mark Mendoza to Ryan Haswell. Right. Turnover. Bigaya.
Stay down.
Bigaya up, almost steal. Nice pass. Oh, no good. Rebound by Eugene Chupo. One. Another rebound by Mark Mendoza. Another rebound. Latoreno. Sargento. Good shot. Steal by Eugene. Makipag-Eugene. Foul. Bigaya. Nice. Ganyan ang mga spoil, right? Nice to see. Foul, Bigaya. First team foul. Two people to be aware with Mr. Haswell. First people is Snowden. The second. Snowden again, rebound by Jumper. To Angel, to Sargento, to shot, Sargento, to John Pray for 3. Is there a 3 points? Okay, 3-point shot by John Pray, Galarina. 1 point lead now by the FASC. 46-45, shot by Chupo, rebound by Latoreno. It's a foul. Number 3, Johannes Mendoza. That's your third personal foul. You still have 4 timeouts? You guys still have 3. Latoreno. First veto is no good. Substitution rep. Decano Tabalani, Eugene Chupo, out. Oh, rebound by Johannes. Now Ryan for 3. 3! Yun na natin. Yun na natin. Turnover, it's 49-45. Ryan Haswell again, 2 points. 51-45, 6 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Latoreno, jump shot, rebound by Shaquille. To Latoreno. 2 points by Latoreno. 47-51. Traveling. It's the turnover with baller's ball. Now, Bigayan to Sargento. The defense by Ryan Haswell. Sargento to Angel. Shot by Angel. No good rebound by Mark Mendoza. Mendoza to the cannon for three. Wow, rebound by La Torrena. 4 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. Timeout. With balls.
Baka masira natin. Kasi mahal yan. Kanina niya pa ginagawa. Saka pang nagsabi niya tapos
oh, there's a foul here. FAP number 13. G. Mazinda and Kevin Castuera. And Randall Aquipel.
Di ba?
What is this? Two technical. That's a pro. So it's one Peter. Walang pumasok? Promise? Isa? Okay, one lang. It's 48-51. Alright? Amateur, we have two free throws for the technical foul. Okay, now. Bigayan. Nice pass! Oh. 2 points. It's a 1 point lead now. Thank you, referee. Mark Mendoza. Hasbro to Kapalan Cannon. Oh, nice! By Bongo! Nagu, rebound by La Torrena. Pass back to Jancho in the shot. Nagu, rebound by Mark Mendoza. To the cannon. For three. Nice rebound. Good tap by Mr. Hilmanator. 3-point shot by Hasbro. That's a good shot. Johnson to 54-50. Now.
Don't jump, stay grounded. Stay low.
Johnson for three. No, the rebound by Mark Mendoza. Nice pass. Later by Anton Ogut, rebound by Bigayan. To Sargento. For three. No, the rebound by Latorena. Foul. Number 7, Mark Mendoza. That's your first personal foul and second team foul. After first. Thank you, Mr. Rahul. Okay. Okay. Hold the ball. Let's see the first free throw. Latorena is no good. Sub. Alright, Maharajin, then out. So we'll see the second free throw attempt by Mr. Dark Angel Latorena. No good again. Up. Who's foul? John Craig de la Riman. Foul to de la Riman. No foul? Okay. Free throw violation. I'm sorry. Thank you, Rob. Thank you, AJ. 3-point shot by Papa. 57-50, last 2 minutes. John Quay. Shot by John Quay, 2 points by John Quay.
Hey, take your time, take your time, take your time. Spread out.
It's 17 second shot clock. 57-52. Six second shot clock. 5, 3. Continue. Shot by no good. Rebound by foul. Number 1, De La Rima. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Martin Dozer. 10 seconds. Nice pass to Sherman. Oh, no good. 2 points by Ryan Hassel. 16-52. 46 seconds. 15 seconds. Shot. 2 points by De La Rima. 60-54. Foul. 4-5, Matareno, foul. That's 13 foul. Foul Matareno. 14 fouls.
How many more?
27. 3 more. Foul. That's a 15 foul. 25 seconds remaining. 15 fouls. 23 seconds remaining.
One more.
Time out. Okay. Last foul before penalty. Foul. 1-1. 60-54.
Take your time, Ryan, take your time.
Okay, next game. Take over versus ICE. Beat the book.
Hey, sub.
Sub. Okay, Shannon at Joanna's team. 1-1. It's good. By Aswell. Let's see the second one. Pagod na si John Quay.
Re-retire na ako.
It's good again. Time out. Latoreno for free. Foul.
Look, you move forward. 13, ha?
Yeah, 13 Maharaj free throws for Latoreno. You move forward. Yeah, you move forward. It's 61-54. 7-point lead by the FASP. Free throws by He's no good. 2 more free throws. Hold the ball, please. Hold the ball. Take over. Hold the ball. Let's see the second one. It's good by La Torre. Let's see the third one. Long rebound by Kulindon. 11 seconds. Shot by La Torre. No good rebound by Rahul. It's foul. Alright, looks like it's a good win by the FAST. Alright, that's it. Okay, give him 2 free throws. Okay, that's it. They can see, okay. It's a very good